These 4 smart snacks can help keep you steady, without the spikes. First, a small handful of almonds. They're full of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Just a few can keep you full and support stable glucose. Second, Greek yogurt with no added sugar. It's creamy, rich in protein, and low on the glycemic index, great for your belly and your blood sugar. Third, hard-boiled eggs. Simple, portable, and satisfying. Packed with protein and zero sugar to help you stay energized. Fourth, apple slices with peanut butter. Crisp, sweet, and balanced. The fiber in the apple and the fat in the peanut butter slow sugar release.